Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are going to give the trailer reaction of one of the famous movie from Telugu.
Yes, and this one is Magadhira.
Yes.
Okay, I think a lot of you have known this movie, whichever
Yes.
are Telugu person or Tamil or
I think everybody from north also,
who knows.
from south also, everybody
Yes,
knows
knows
about this
this
movie, and
movie.
this is one of the iconic movie
Very
during
super
that
hit
time.
movie
Yes.
during that time,
I
and
think
this is
it
also
got
containing
released around 2010 or 12 around that
very
time.
very old movie.
Yes.
And we have Ramcharan sir and Kajal Agarwal.
Yes.
Okay, in this movie, and the best part of this movie is like seeming like it is a historical content wala movie. A lot of palaces, Raja Maharaja.
It's consist of both the new
Haan,
generation
new
as
generation
well as the
also.
old generation.
So a lot of film industry has copied this movie because that is such an iconic movie, and
Yes.
a lot of film industry has copied it.
Yes.
So
not getting much details right now. Let's
Yes.
watch this trailer
Yes.
first, and then we
Yeah.
can move to more details, and we can talk whatever our
we think,
feelings.
our feelings and all.
Yes.
So let's get started. But before that, if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe and also please click on the notification bell.
Yes.
So chalo, chat se let's get started.
Yeah. Okay. Geeta Arts. Okay. Wow.
Graphics.
Great. They have maintained a nice graphics also.
From that time, 2010 now.
He's looking good in this
Ramcharan
getup.
sir.
Yes.
Yeah. Wow.
It seems to be a perfect match.
Yeah. I really like this music.
Yeah.
It's kind of like
This
soulful.
is Rajamouli.
This is
here
Rajamouli
also.
sir.
That's why.
That's why
all
this
the
kind of-
background and everything is there.
Similar a little bit.
Wow.
One more movie is there, no? Arundhati.
Hmm.
That is also a little bit touch of it. Wow.
Super. Yes.
Superb. Yes, I was very sad when I saw this scene. Sanjeet. Okay, so we have
Okay.
already seen this movie actually, so
Yes.
we know
So,
the whole context of
yes.
it.
Again,
It was
we are
recalling.
recalling
We
our
are recalling our
memories.
memories.
And also, going forward, we are going to give our reaction on a
Reactions.
lot of the scenes of this movie because I
Magadhira
really
fight
love
scene.
this movie.
Yes. Definitely. Abhay is crazy about this movie.
Yeah.
I think because of Abhay only I have seen this movie 3-4 times. Okay,
Yes.
so I also really like this
One
movie.
of the best part of this movie is the story.
Story.
Whatever the
Storyline.
story it contains, it's
Yeah.
super story.
Super story and superbly executed. The direction superb, screenplay superb.
Right.
VFX is very high quality wala,
quality,
and everything is superb.
everything.
Okay,
I
and
will get lot of emotion as well
emotions,
as
love,
actions,
actions,
everything.
everything. So this sir Ramcharan sir was looking
Yeah.
damn
Perfect
superbly
match, perfect match
for
for
this
this,
role,
yes.
Yodha wala.
Yes, and he has two roles, new generation and old generation.
generation,
This movie is having the rebirth,
Rebirth
kind of scenario.
Yes. So people have known, I think, because
Yes.
this is a very pretty much famous movie, so
Famous
people
movie,
know
yes.
that. But still we are telling because we are very much excited now.
Yes.
We are recalling our memories and all.
Right.
We are recalling every scenes
Every
of this
scenes,
movie.
yes.
So Kajal Agarwal also was having the rebirth.
Yes.
She has also having two generations.
And
I think the villain
even
also.
villain also, yes.
Villain also. The music also behind
Yes.
the scenes.
You love that music, yeah.
That one, that was superb. Okay, that was very
heart touching.
Heart touching, you can say. A lot of emotions is
and
there in
feeling,
this
it's
music.
originate with that music.
It
you
was
can say.
very good, and it was like coming from straight away from the heart.
Yeah.
It was seeming like that.
Right.
Also, the cinematography is very good.
Yes.
What not? Like
What
this
not,
movie
everything.
is having everything.
I think it got released around 2010 or 12, around that. I'm not sure exact
Yes.
date. So during that time also they have maintained this type of
This kind of
graphics, everything.
graphics.
It was superb.
It
and
was Superman,
and
yes.
SS Rajamouli sir is there.
He
That's
is
why.
iconic, okay?
Yes.
That is why only. Yes, you are
That's
right.
why.
That is why only. And also, this movie reminds me of Arundhati. Arundhati also Anushka hai. उसमें अनुष्का है ना,
Yes.
where she's a queen, and she also taken the rebirth and all scenario, and she will like kill the
Will fight
the
against,
sannyasi.
something, yeah.
One sannyasi is there, and they have buried him in a
Okay.
sinduk. This kind of story. That is a different story. But
Different
why I am
story,
telling,
yes.
the execution and the screenplay, everything was like similar, and I really like that movie also. If you want, you can definitely let us know. We will definitely give our reaction on Arundhati trailer and scenes, because that is one also is a very iconic movie. I think in each and every Saturday Sunday, this movie Magadhira and Arundhati
Generally it
used
comes
to come
to
in the
TV,
TV,
yes.
right?
That's
Max,
what we have seen many times.
many times. G movies,
And one of the best
Max,
scene in this
Sony,
movie is that fighting with 100 soldiers.
soldiers. That,
was
very
the
good.
best scene.
The bows are coming, and it was like outstanding. The scenes and
And
everything.
that was the two emotional scene that Kajal Agarwal is falling down from the cliff.
Yeah. That
was very much emotional scene.
very emotional. Yeah,
Yes.
very correct. Very
Right.
emotional.
And it has a lot of the comedy scenes
yeah.
also.
comedy bhi hai.
New generation Kajal Agarwal was making fun with
Yeah, that
Ramcharan sir,
Ramcharan
yes.
sir. So everything it is containing. It is a complete package, and also the good thing is like the best thing is it is a family content.
Yes.
Family movie. A
Family
whole
movie,
family
you can
can sit and take
And
a sip of tea or
coffee,
pakoda
anything.
or singara, and just to
Yes.
watch the movies.
Right.
Okay, it will be fun for whole family.
Right.
So it is a very good
So,
movie.
of
We really
course, of
like for
course.
that reason also, right?
Yes.
Because we really like to sit with all of the family members and having fun and watching TV at the same time. Movies.
That's true.
That's very cool, And
And
yes,
nowadays also, whenever it comes in TV, everybody watches this movie.
watches this movie. Yes.
Yes.
My mom also loves this movie a lot. Actually, of course in the Hindi dub, not in Telugu or
Yes,
any other
yes,
version.
mostly we have seen in Hindi dubbed
Hindi
only.
dubbed only.
That's why
so we
we
really enjoy.
knew the feeling.
Yes. So yes, that is what for today's video is. I really hope that you'll enjoy today's video. Now this is the
Yes.
time to read the comments for today.
So the first comment for today is from Karthik Kanhaiya. He is saying much awaited thriller movie. The director Ram Kumar did a fabulous job. For your kind information, this movie copyright was bought by a Hollywood director. It's the first South Indian movie get attention from the Hollywood.
And
Wow.
he's talking about Ratsasan.
Ratsasan trailer
reaction.
Okay.
That is a very cool thing,
Yeah.
yaar. And yes, I also have heard this content, this information that Hollywood directors also came
Yeah.
to this movie, and
so they are also getting
they are also
inspired with the
taking-
South movies as well.
because the picturization was also somehow looking like Hollywood kind of content.
Exactly. I think
and
that's why.
Yeah, and the criminal, the
Criminal.
way they have presented the
the
criminal,
creepy
with
sound
the
and all
creepy
that.
sound, and with that kind of disease where he is getting old. That is also not familiar in India.
Yeah, that's
Mostly that is American disease, or you can say like foreign disease.
Yes.
This is not
Exactly.
containing in India a lot more.
We
So,
haven't heard that kind
this kind of disease,
was
but I have heard in outer India,
Okay,
not
yeah.
in India.
Yeah,
So I have heard that about that disease, but that was very innovatively done. The criminal mind and everything, the way he kills,
Yes.
very psychopan,
was
right? My
awesome.
goodness, that was awesome movie, and
Yeah.
you
And
are
also
correct
the
only.
room of that lady, or you can say
creepy.
and that
Ah, that guy,
Yes,
that was
it
very
was
creepy.
also very creepy.
On the table, she was like playing the piano,
Yeah.
and that cross was there. The cross was there. Still, he is doing the nasty things. Okay, and he is completely out of
That's
his
why-
mind.
that's why he is
That is
psycho.
why he is psycho.
Yes.
Because from the very childhood, he is listening to this kind of nasty things.
Yes.
No, takla,
That's true.
takla. That's why. So yeah, Karthik, you are so true, and we really loved this movie. We will definitely give our complete review on this movie, and thank you so much for your comment and for watching our videos.
Yes.
So the second comment for today's video is from S1. As he is commenting, you are in Bangalore, can't do more Kannada movie scenes?
Yeah, of course.
Yes,
We
of
have done
course.
few
We have done
Kannada
few.
movies trailer or
Yes.
some scenes also.
Yeah.
But yes, we have the plan to give our more reaction on Kannada's movie as well.
Yes. So definitely, we
Definitely,
really like Yash. We really like Kicha Sudeep.
Yes.
A lot over there. Okay,
Yeah,
and
the
we
boss.
really like. He's the boss actually. So we have done a couple of, and definitely we have more plans in going ahead to do
Yes.
more movie scenes reaction, or you can say, give our trailer reaction or
Right.
explanation of movie. Everything we have
Everything,
planned.
everything.
So stay tuned for to us, and we will definitely do.
Yes.
Thank you so much for commenting and for watching our videos. So the third comment for today's video is from Surya Prakash, and he is commenting, why can't you react to any other Surya movies? Please react to Nadipin Nayakan Surya.
Okay.
That is not like that. We already done
Yes.
few, right?
But,
Surya
not
Sir's
few, we
movie.
have done
Not
a lot
few,
of-
a lot actually.
Last we have done
making
on Sorai Potro.
Sorai Potru. Then we have done the making also.
Making also,
of Sorai
trailer also.
Potru.
And not trailer, I think poster or teaser.
Poster or
was
teaser, and then we have done the Friends movie scenes
Yes,
reaction, and
24,
also
a lot of
24
movies.
सूर्या के साथ फिर विजय सर भी थे, fight scene one,
Friends movie.
studio fight
Friends
scene,
movie,
Friends
yeah.
movie. I think we have done a lot actually.
Yeah.
You just go and check in our channel. You can definitely
Alright.
see, and also we have a lot of plans for Surya sir to give more reactions, because we know he's a fabulous, brilliant actor, and we are
Yes,
very
that's
proud
true.
of him. So we will be definitely doing, right?
Yeah.
Going forward, stay tuned. We will definitely do. Okay, so these all are the 3 comments for today's video. Thank you to each and everyone whoever have commented, who are our subscribers and who watch our videos in a daily basis.
Yes.
Thanks for all your support, all your appreciation, and all of your love. So if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe, and also please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then,
Bye.
bye.